What makes a great pair of jeans really good? First of all, the craftsmanship and manufacturing techniques are primordial when deciding on a pair of jeans that will look amazing and last a long time. Then of course the materials used are also important. Some jeans brands opt for more natural fibers of pure cotton and use very little dyes, while others blend some more flexible materials such as polyester along with the cotton. While some source the very best vintage fabrics money can buy, therefore their prices are also higher. But some women spend decades finding that one pair of jeans that seems to be made just for them. It can be daunting for some people, but should be a fun chore. How to find your perfect pair of jeans? Lots of trial and error, that's for sure. Some brands may fit some women like a glove, while others don't flatter their shape at all. Sizes differ from brand to brand, so trying them on is a must. One rule of thumb when it comes to sizing is to be able to fit 2 fingers at the back. Anything more than that is too loose, and less would be too tight. It's normal for the waistband to fit tighter when you first buy them, as they will loosen with every wear. You also want to try them on with different shoes, so you can get more wear out of them. That pretty much covers it. Of course, the actual design or brand is also important to some people, but the choice comes down to personal preference. When it comes to style and price, that varies from person to person, so we try to include a variety of options.